I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is June 27, Tuesday, 2023. All right, let's hop right into it here. So we had this bullish candle here, bottom left daily chart. Nice bullish candle. Did exactly what we thought about yesterday. It would retrace back into itself, take some liquidity out of previous sessions, and then be a big candle, as you see on the 4-hour over here. I was mentioning that we would see something kind of like this with this big candle. Sure enough, it did beautifully. Ran right through the daily imbalance, which would be on the left here, this daily imbalance. And then it would get into, I was mentioning, getting into this previous bullish week close open, which would be right here. See that? So we ended up rushing right into there. Now, this is, well, let me show you the one trade that would have made sense only for today. So in that whole scenario, you see here, when I was mentioning, we had that shift of structure there, right? So we had, we go over to the left here on the 15-minute. You see we had lower high, lower low, and then equal highs here, and then we bust through it, right? And then retrace down. Now they decided to, in the middle of the night, well, for me, I'm East Coast time, 3 in the morning a.m. They come up here and they take out their liquidity, and then they sink it at London at 3 a.m. And then they bring it down over here where I was telling you about all this liquidity here, sitting here. Look how it comes right to it, right? Look to the left. See how they take out that low right there? That's not by coincidence. See that? So price brings down. I didn't expect them to do this though, but whatever. I'm not even trading or awake anyway. But so price ends up finding themselves down here. Now it's at this time, this is 8:20, 8:30. So what does the price do here? Let me show that. Drag it out. And then this would have been to the open. Let me see if I can, well, yeah. Let me draw a line. How I would have done this. This. Would have left that there. Boom. See how it hits it right there beautifully? This would have been a nice target. Or you could have took it here straight to the daily imbalance, as you see here. It gets filled at 9:35. So if you were up early here, this would have been the beautiful catch right here. Pattern that we show every day here. Nice bullish candle, and then retrace right back into the block. Could have been a buyer. Why would you? Number one, it's time. It's 8:30. Number two, you took out all the liquidity here on the left side, like I mentioned. So this is a must take trade. Then you get this big bullish candle. You could have you could have entered as soon as it taps in here in this imbalance here. And then if you took that up, generally I would like to be done. That's 200 points right there. You could have catch yourself for another 100 points. That's 300 points right there. If you held this, then you would have waited for this retracement for it to get deep enough. And you'll see here that stays nice into this block right here. Nice support block right there. Very common pattern. Bam. So would have caught that nicely, retraced right back into the imbalance, plus with that support block, and boom, nice buy there. And it's a 5-minute. I'm not even going to need to go to a smaller time frame. And each retracement's a buy right back into this imbalance here. Retrace. Each one's 50%, even if I grab the fib. And you'll see here that I'm pretty sure that's right under the 50. And there you go. So, and if I measured this swing to this, 50. Measure this to this, 50. So all your entries are there. Beautiful day. Easy day. All one direction, one easy. Now, as far as tomorrow goes, I'll be honest, your guess is as good as mine here. Only because the problem is I mean, we do have news the rest of this week, right? So, and we got Feds talking. We have, so I figured consumer confidence, they love to bring the price up normally, to show strength in the bullish economy, so to speak. But like Wednesday, we have we have Powell talking again, and Thursday, well, I'm sorry, he's talking Wednesday, and then we have GDP. Yeah, he's talking Thursday as well. So, you know, I have a feeling they're going to use this week to push the price up. They're going to justify themselves for getting that price up back to this daily imbalance. It's not out of the cards. People look at me like, you know, see, I'm out here, I'm putting myself out there and being honest. You know, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I mean, this can do whatever it wants, right? But I've been watching this market for years, and I see this every day, and I'm generally right the day before. Right? I don't know how many people are saying, you know, the day before what price is going to do, right? Asia and London does determine things too, but like, it's like, here's the thing. It's like, we all have these same common zones, right? It's not like this is a mystery or a secret here, okay? But at the same time, you got to take it with a grain of salt. I'm being honest. I put myself out there. And sometimes when I don't know. But what's logical, right? We had this liquidity here. We still have more up here too. So what I could see is some consolidation going on right here. I can see this consolidating for a while, even though they're going to use the news to probably push it up more. If it does sink from here, it can sink from here. Okay. It could definitely sink from here, get to this next daily imbalance that's missing, that's not been filled and efficiently priced, and then we can come up here. All right. And then take out all the liquidity that it builds. So that's what I'm seeing here as of now, but we can consolidate because we're at a 50 level. We could be bouncing around here for a little bit, but I'd like for them to just get it over with. I'd like for them to just push the price up here, get into this daily imbalance, because you know it's an eyesore. It's sitting there, you know. So or at least get next to it by tapping it, and we're in this block here. This is a resistance block right here on the daily. So I can see the price coming up higher. Letting them use that for that, and then kind of bringing it down. Hopefully they do it first. If they decided to bring it down first and to come in here, then we're coming in here. I mean, that's really it, right? So, yeah. And then as far as dollar goes, dollar's being a little, it's going to be a little funny here because I don't know. I don't think it's going to break through here. Even though it probably should, because it ain't worth shit. But at the same time, they want to slip the rug through underneath everybody. And so we've came into a demand area here, or support area here, and then we shot up and we came back into this imbalance with this block. So does this block hold? And does it go up from here? I don't know. I would like to say yes, because of during inflation, generally dollar will go up, right? So that's the play. I really don't see them breaking these lows right now. I think their agenda is more on the top side, especially with this imbalance up here, gaps up here, you know, and the dollar strengthening. Russia looks like it's failing and all types of shit. So we'll see, man. That's where I'm at here. So hope this helps. You guys take care. Until tomorrow, God bless.